In this video, let me show you how you can close the Photo Booth app on your Mac computer. So Photo Booth, if I look it up like this, you can see that it's like a photo editor, which, works nicely. It's, using the pictures and stuff, right? But you can see that that's like the thing which you can use. Of course, it's open currently, so you can use the red dot to close it. No problem, but it's very likely going to still be running in the background. So what you need to do in this case to fully close it and disable it is to open up the Activity Monitor app. Right, so this is what it looks like, the Activity Monitor. And using this application, make sure you go to the memory in there. Just wait for everything to load up and just make sure that the app is not running in here, right? Because these are all of the things which are currently being active and running on your computer. And my point is that if there's too much going on, you can also look up the Photo Booth, right? And as long as you have the thing open, it's gonna appear in here. So let me just reopen it again like that. Now it's kind of like open in here, and it will probably gonna be in here as the active process, right? So as you can see, it is now active in here in the Activity Monitor. So you can double click on it and quit it from this place if you would want it to. So you can also quit it like this, and that's how it's going to disappear. So as you can tell, there are more ways how you can close the Photo Booth, especially if you don't want it to be running like in the background and use up all of the RAM. So let me know if that's the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe, and I'll see you later in future uploads.